Hi friends, this is Karishma and welcome to my channel Hello Gorgeous by Karishma. I hope you are enjoying all the videos I am uploading on makeup and beauty tips. Please do watch, like and subscribe. So today I'm going to show you something really interesting. As we are all aware, we are stuck in pandemic and it is unsafe to visit the salon and get the service done like waxing, threading and all different services. So today I thought let me show you how to do the threading at home, which is the very important part for girls. And today I have if you can see, I have grown up my eyebrows just to show you guys how to do the eyebrows at home. And for that we will be starting with waxing first, and I will be using something really interesting. Today we are going to try out this wheat. So this wheat has waxing strips and it will come like this. Okay, so generally what you have to do is you have to remove both the strips like this, and then you have to pull it and then apply on your hand or legs and then remove it. So I'm going to show you something different how you can do the eyebrows. So you will be requiring a waxing strips, scissor and mirror. So let's start. I'm taking one strip with this and one scissor, going to cut the edge like this. First I will show you with this. You will require a small powder. I'm taking Himalaya baby powder. In my house this is easily available. So you will be using it like this and apply it on your brows. I will show you one side and you will understand how to do it. Before starting, I am just trying to comb my eyebrows, so I will understand where there is an extra hair. I am removing the strips into two parts like this. And you need to be very careful. With the help of mirror, I will be trying to grab the place where I want to place it. The front portion I will be using only little. Okay, so you can see. You can go little or you want to go together also, no problem. If you want to see, I will show you the hairs which is on my strip. Yeah, I'm moving ahead with some more. While doing it, please close your eyes so that it will get a pull. Okay. Yeah, so now it is almost done. I have a lot of hair here. Okay, so you can see how the difference here and here. I'm just going to So girls, just to show you how the hair looks, I have removed some on my tissue. If you can see the part here, you can see the hair is kept. So it's very visible and it's very clean. I think you will be able to achieve the eyebrows you want. And now I'm moving ahead on the top part of your eyebrows. I'm going from the back, just placing it. You have to rub it nicely and try to remove it. One more strip. We will be putting it on the forward part. You have to be very careful when you have a hair like this. you can cut this hair and not let that go, because otherwise it will create some space in between, which is not required. So I'm just trying to rub one more time, and here it is. So I have removed quite a lot unwanted hair. Yeah. And now in the center part, so now I am done with this. I have one extra strip left here. I will be using as my upper lips. So I will use this to remove my upper lips. You can just do like this and stretch the skin. So the hair always on the down portion, so we have to pull it on the opposite direction. So we will be having this bead. It is called as Perfect Finish Vibes. It is kind of little oily, and it will be like this. I generally don't use all at a time, so I'm just going to cut this again, and we'll keep it back for the next use. And just try to remove the cream what we have applied here. It will come out very easily. And we are not done with our eyebrows. We have to do a little more work on it. So here I'm back. I have washed my face, and you can see a very light hair is left now, and for that we will be requiring a plucker. We have some extra hair here. We need to trim that in order to bring the eyebrows into shape. We will be requiring a small scissor and a pulley brush. I will be just trying to bring the hair up, so I will understand if there is any extra, I can trim it off. So I'm done with my eyebrows, and now we are going to shape it. I will teach you how to make your eyebrows, and I'm going to use a brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills and brush from Morphe, and let's start. We will be taking some product on the hand, so that we don't have to go into the pot and make it unhygienic. As it is, we are into pandemic and we need to be careful. So we will be just trying to draw the eyebrows by on the forward section. So you can see the difference on this eye and this eyebrows. We will try to draw both the side. So girls, you can see I'm done with my brows and I will be sharpening the brows with my brow pomade. So don't worry if you have made any mistake or something. I'm just taking a small concealer brush or a brow pencil brush, just trying to shape it. Keep it minimum product so that the product will give the natural look and not the dramatic or a fake look. Okay, so now you can see it is in very much in shape. I'm taking LA Pro Girl and taking few more products here to shape the brow. If you have made mistake, you can conceal it with the concealer. Go with light hand and try to shape your eyebrow as much as possible. Girls, I'm done with my eyebrows and I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any queries or suggestions, please comment in my comment box. I will be definitely replying you all. Do follow my Instagram page Hello Gorgeous by Karishma, and I will be coming with many videos soon. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.